Hello, good morning students. Now today we are going to understand preparation of alkane by reduction of alkyl halide. Okay, preparation of alkane by reduction of alkyl halide. So dear students, this is the quite important problem that we can understand here. Suppose we are having the alkyl halide, okay, and you are going to do the reduction, students. So reduction means what? It is going to supply the hydrogen, nascent hydrogen. All the reducing agent is going to supply the reducing hydrogen. So first condition is what? That is it. First thing what you can take, student, that is H2 and PD you can say. Okay, with the help of this you can reduce. Second, what is that is you can say that is zinc plus HCl. Okay, or you can say third one, active metal in acid, Na plus C2H5OH. This fourth number what we can take, student, LiAlH4. Okay, fifth point what we can, student, NaBH4, NHBH4. Sixth point what we can take, student, NaHg in C2H5. This one, 6 point. Now the seventh point, what is that is seventh point is there, student. Seventh point you can take, that is zinc in acetic acid. Okay, zinc in acetic acid. And last one, that is eighth point, you can take, student, red phosphorus and Hi. Okay, you can put out the plus Hi. So these many reducing agent, there are 8 reducing agent that can be taken for the reduction, and if you are reducing, it will form the RH plus it will form that is HX. So here you can take that is 2. So this is what the simple. Okay, now let us try to understand here one by one. If we are having that is RCl, either you can say RCl, you remove it out, you can check that is CH3Cl, and if you are treating this one, student, that is H2 in the presence of PD. Okay, so what it will going to get, student, CH3H plus it is going to be get HCl. Okay, this is what the things. This is the just like the hydrogenation process, right? Now another things is what is there, if you are having CH3Cl and if you are treating with the Zn, okay, plus HCl, Zn plus HCl, so it will also supply that is a nascent hydrogen, so it will form that is CH4 and plus if you are writing CH4 plus it will give that is what, student, HCl. If you are taking that is CH3Cl and you are treating with the sodium, and plus what, student, ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, so it will again go CH4 plus NaCl will form. Suppose you are taking, student, CH3Cl, okay, and what other things you can take, student, you can say LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride, so it will give that is CH4, student. Next one, if you are taking CH3Cl and you are taking that is NaBH4, okay, so again it will give what, student, CH4. Next one, if you are 6 number, if you are taking CH3Cl and you are having that is NaHg in the C2H5OH, so again you are going to get CH4. If you are having that is CH3Cl and if you are treating CH3Cl, if you are treating what, student, that is the zinc and acetic acid, CH3COOH, so you will get that is CH4. Last one, if you are taking, student, CH3Cl and here what is that is you are taking that is red phosphorus plus Hi, so you will be getting again what, student, CH4. Okay, so this is what the reaction, students. If you are having the double carbon, if you are CH3, CH2 and Cl and you are treating any reagent, suppose Zn plus acetic acid I am taking, so here you are going to get, student, CH3 plus you are going to get HCl. So this is our product, student, this is our products, right? So dear students, this way we can easily understand the preparation of alkane by the reduction of the alkyl halide. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students.